Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing.
It's great.
Looking at our current surface analysis chart, again, this chart is a little outdated. The website hasn't updated for our current chart, so this is from 3Z, so 11 p.m. last night. But as you can see, not too much should have changed in the past few hours. Still high pressure system in control of the mid-Atlantic at the moment. And you can see tropical storm Ida out near Cuba as it'll make its way up towards Louisiana this weekend. Looking at our upper level winds, still fairly light winds throughout the column today. Winds out of the southwest at 10 knots at 1,000 feet, moving up to 17 knots at 16,000 feet, and more westerly winds as we continue to move up, and at 25,000 feet winds coming out of the west at 10 knots. And our freezing level is 14,600 feet. And looking at our visible satellite imagery, you can see we still have mainly sunny conditions out there right now. Potentially seeing a few clouds off in the horizon, but other than that, mostly sunny skies. Looking at our composite reflectivity for the day, seeing that in the next few hours, not seeing too much in terms of precipitation for today. Until we get into later this afternoon into the evening hours. You can see this storm system moving our way. It might stay to the north of us, but still a chance that we could see a shower or thunderstorm from it in our area as we move into the early morning hours of Saturday. And as we continue to move throughout the day on Saturday, we're going to see another chance of seeing an afternoon pop-up shower thunderstorm in our area Saturday afternoon into the early evening. Looking at a more long-term forecast model, picking up early on Sunday, you can see we still have chances of precipitation in and around our area. Probably a break during the day Sunday, but still chances of precipitation throughout the day and into the evening. Monday looks like our driest day for the next 7 days, but still a chance of seeing some afternoon showers or thunderstorms on Monday as well. As we move into Tuesday and Wednesday, they're still looking to have some chances of showers and thunderstorms as well. And as we move into Thursday, that's our greatest chance for precipitation at the moment, as we're going to see most likely the remnants of a tropical storm Ida move through our area. So the timing of that is still to be determined, especially since we're so far out at the moment, but something we'll be tracking especially as we get into next week. Looking at our 24-hour weather risk chart for today, again, mainly sunny skies out there right now, transitioning to more partly cloudy skies. And as we get into this evening, around 8 p.m., we have just a slight chance of seeing some showers and a 15% chance of seeing any type of thunderstorm activity from around 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. as that system moves through our area. It could stay to the north of us, but still a slight chance of seeing any type of precipitation from that. And after that, transitioning back into partly cloudy skies as we get into Saturday morning. Temperatures today are going to be quite hot, already up to 88 degrees right now, and at the moment we are already exceeding 100 degrees for our heat index. So we do have that heat advisory out there right now. It's in place from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. tonight, so quite a long advisory today, as we're expected to see those hot and humid conditions continue for most of the day and afternoon. Our winds for today are southwesterly to southerly. Again, light winds today, 4 to 8 knots predominantly. And as we move into Saturday morning, seeing a variable wind less than 5 knots. Then our tides for today are normal. Looking ahead at the next 7 days, as you can see, we're getting into a bit more of a rainy pattern than we've seen the past week. Today, we have a high of 92 degrees. It's going to be very hot out there, and a chance of that afternoon, early evening to later evening shower or thunderstorm, about a 20% chance of seeing that. As we move into Saturday, we have a high of 89 and chance of showers and thunderstorms. Same goes for Sunday, but high a bit lower at 85 degrees. Monday is only a 20% chance of an afternoon shower or thunderstorm, high of 88 degrees. Tuesday and Wednesday look pretty similar, both 30% chances of showers and thunderstorms. And as we move into Thursday, we're seeing a 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms potentially as that tropical system moves into and out of our area. And looking real quick at tropical storm item, this is the latest map from the National Hurricane Center. As you can see, it's a tropical storm right now, expected to go over the western portion of Cuba sometime this afternoon into early tomorrow morning, and potential for making landfall in Louisiana as a major hurricane. So that would be a Category 3 hurricane with winds greater than 110 miles per hour. So definitely something that Louisiana is going to have to keep an eye on with their coast. Basically all of the coast of Louisiana is in a hurricane watch right now, as well as Alabama is in a tropical storm watch. So that's definitely something to keep an eye on, especially if you know anyone out there. And then as we move into next week, we're going to be seeing the remnants of that move through Tennessee and potentially start to affect our area later next week. So again, not something that we are going to have impacts for in the next few days, but something that we'll keep an eye on as we move into next week. And that's all for your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and we'll see you again Monday at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.